Hey guys, it's me Rahul and I'm back with another short video. So today in this video I will show you guys how to enable Hibernate button on Windows. So it's actually pretty simple. So you just have to click on Start button, go to Control Panel. Then if your menu isn't in this fashion, then what you can do is you can click on View By, then change it to Category. Then from there you have to click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Power Options. Then select Choose What Power Do in the left hand side. Then if you see here, the Hibernate option is disabled. So what you want to do is just click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable over here, which will enable the options. Then just enable or tick the Hibernate button. Then click on Save Changes, and if you go to Start Now, you will see the Hibernate button over here. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple tutorial. Hope you guys liked it.